Yo, Silver Game of Thrones. What's up, guys? Couple of gold coins today. With these silver prices, so high and inability to find some good deals, I start looking into gold last days. So, so if I can grab some numismatic coins, which I think going down the road can give you good value. Let me take the paperwork from here. Okay. Okay. So this is what I bought. I have 5 ruble gold, Nicholas II, and 1976 Russia Chervonets 10 ruble, mint state conditional. It's luster mint state condition, so blazing luster mint. So 2 coins. So let's see. Yeah, this is where I bought it from Rare Collector, from eBay, and he has very good deals, So I want to tell you that this 5 ruble, which is 0.12, like 8 coins in 1 ounce of gold, I was buying $230, now it's $270. Okay, welcome. And I believe it will close 300 very soon. But anyway, I try to build 1 ounce of them. So I want to push just 8 coins. I have only 5 or 6. Yeah, you see. We strive 100 customer satisfaction. If you have any question, thank you for your pushes. So this is a rare coincollector.com. And Rare Coin Collector, and they are very, very trustable guy, and I bought from him a lot already, and and I just like how he run business, you see. Rare Coin Collector, this is what I say, guys. You can buy from eBay if you trust, if your company, trustable company, and if you trust it, and then why not, right? You see, everything is secure, everything is cool, secure, and should be okay. Okay, so let's see. So this is the Chervonets. So let me open it. Let me release these coins to breathe. They are very small, When you buy gold, this is what's going on. You buy gold and it's so teeny, it's so small, but it's so expensive, right? When you buy silver, it's much, much bigger. Oh man. But yeah, here it's package. The package is super pooper, very well packaged. All these coins. Yeah, to release it takes so much time. Yeah, it's really this Chervonets, Russian. Yeah, wow, that is in excellent condition, guys. So look on him. Look on this guy, look on this bad boy. Maybe this will be a better result light. Yeah. Один Chervonets of gold. Пролетарии всех стран соединяйтесь. RSFSR. Yeah, it was a big empire, and Russia has the best gold. And what is this empire today, right? You need to remember, guys, every empire fell. No exception. Okay, and this I believe you already know, this 5 ruble. is so small, so teeny. So I'm looking into backside. Oh, it's FZ. You see, if you can see here. Yeah, it's FZ. So I will do double check. I will do verification. You know, if it's up to spec and everything okay. 5 ruble. It's 9001. 9001, and I will pack you. I'll pack into, you know, into capsule. I have special capsule, so I will do it now. But this Chervonets, oh man, I was hunting this guy, and this is probably one of the last, and this is really new. It's a lasting. You see, this is really like a blazing cluster mint. It's really blazing, you know, it's really new condition, outstanding. So I will do my verification if it's gold, if it's everything okay, and it's just more gold into my collection, guys. Okay? Yep. Okay guys, this is for you. Maybe it will be interesting how I do verification. So my setting consists on gold 22 karat, gold 90%, you see. And now I'm doing verification for these two coins, so you can see they both 90% gold, 22 karat. One is a quarter ounce of gold, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, almost quarter ounce of gold. So you see, gold 90%. You see, quarter ounce of gold. And another is old ruble, which is also quarter ounce of gold. So you see, it's quarter ounce of gold. This is how I'm doing verification. Because if I put it here, you see, place sample. Oh, I need to remove this vent. So if I put it here, you see, this one will work because it's a bigger, but the small one is not working when you put it here. So you must use a vent, you know, and the back side, this small verificator. Okay, so if you use small verificator, yeah, so you see, 1, 2, so it's a gold. Okay guys, wanted to share you. Okay, keep tuned. You know, I am on fraction gold, which is very small, which is very little, but which is very expensive, guys. Okay, so I finally put them in capsule. So this is a ruble. Okay, this is 5 ruble. How it is going in capsule. I use special capsule, and you can find a video about this capsule. 5 ruble 9001, and it is 18.5 millimeters. So I'm using 18 millimeter capsule. Okay, and the second one is Chervonets. It's a quarter ounce of gold. You know, it's Adin Chervonets. What he say? In Russian, 1976. It's a BU condition. It's a new, sparking new. And I am using, what is the size? 22 millimeter. This guy is 22 millimeter. Yeah, so pure gold. Sorry, it's 90%, 22 karat gold, but it's a quarter ounce. It's like American silver eagle. You see, they say all working proletar. I don't know how to translate. All workers from all strands, you need to be united. Okay. Try to make it close. It is just a beast, guys. Gold is a beast. We all like golds. Enjoy. Bye bye. Okay guys, bye bye. Keep please sign, please comment and give your feedbacks. You know what you stack today, guys. I don't know what to stack today. I really stopped stacking a lot of silver after it crossed 20 bucks. So I try to catch up on gold, but still when I catch on gold, it's a numismatic gold, which is close to spot, but it has double value to me because you can always resell it, you know, because people appreciate, you know, numismatic values. It's like 100 years old, this is 50 years old, you know, excellent condition, so why not? Okay guys, keep stacking, bye bye.